Hey guys, Bullet here. I have a new installation. I have this 2004 Toyota Tundra. We're gonna do some LEDs. Thanks to the company Novsight, I have the 9003 6500K LEDs. This LEDs is gonna be high and low beam in the same bulb, but first we need to clean them. So I'm not gonna show that many times in the channel. I'm just gonna clean them and then do the installation. That's just after one pass with the sandpaper and the drill. You can see the difference now a lot better. You can see now the original light versus the other one. For the installation, you just have to remove the connector, just pull on it. This is the connector, that's the bulb. You have to pull on the connector and then pull on the grommet. And now it has a little clip. Push on it to release the bulb and remove the original. Make sure that you do it the same way. The connector has to be with this connector facing up, because like I said, you have low and high beam in the bulb. Do the same with the LEDs. This is the LED. The third connector is gonna be on top, so it's gonna be like this because you will have the high and low beam in there. Don't put it sideways, just make sure that it goes like this. And easiest way, the connector is gonna be up. Okay, if you can see there, the third connector is up. I put the locking pin in it, so we just need to connect it, put the grommet back on. You can see the LEDs in there facing the right way, and this is still the original. I still need to clear this one. It's gonna look a lot better, but I just need to show you the difference between something that we kinda clear now against this one that you can't see anything, you barely see in it. But I'm gonna do the same process on this one. When you put the grommet, make sure that you push it all the way. If not, the connector is not gonna go in. But the installation is really easy on these trucks. Now I need to clean them and put the other LED on that side. And that's clean with the LED. I still need to finish this. I'm gonna finish it later, but I'm gonna put it into the shop so you can see the difference later on. Okay my guys, now we're back at home. We did the installation today, this morning, and just to finish, I'm gonna leave the link in the description to Novsight. Plus you're gonna have a 25% off when you put the code Luis, and I'm gonna have all that in the description, the coupon code and the link. And when you purchase this type of lights, like this is 9003, you're gonna have also a free gift, the nano trackless. You can put this anywhere. You can put it in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your car, to put your phone. Just peel the little plastic and you can put it anywhere and everywhere. Also, keychain, you're gonna have these few coupons, 30% off on these LEDs. The installation manual, like I told you on the video, you right here you're gonna have the way to do the installation the way I show on the video. And like I said, 25% off on the purchase of those lights. Super bright now, my body chewy. Now it's gonna be able to see, especially at night when it's raining. He literally didn't see anything. Now with new LEDs and cleaning the headlights is gonna make a lot of difference. So guys, I leave it with that. I hope you like this episode. Thanks to Novsight for the LEDs, and now we have another installation. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.
you.